Hey guys, I know that many of you love the Apple Watch and use it every day, so here are 10 tips to improve its usability and make your life even better. First off, there's a really easy way to rearrange watch faces. As you probably already know, if you swipe right or left, you can switch between your saved watch faces. However, you may want to have them in a certain order, and that's really easy to do. Just press and hold on any watch face you have on and rearrange the ones you want. After, you can just click in any of them and go back to normal. Now, in case you want to quickly go back to your last used app, double tap the crown. Also, if you double tap again, you can go to the second last used app. If you keep doing this back and forth, you will see that you'll be switching between those apps. Also, you can press and hold with 2 fingers on the screen to listen to what time it is.
9:04 p.m.
This was a feature only available with the Mickey Mouse watch face, however, is now available on all watch faces with watchOS 6. And in case you're scrolling down but you want to go back to the top quickly, you can tap at the top of the display and you jump to the top, which is really similar to the way the iPhone gesture to go back up works. Another really useful tip is a quick way to send your location through the Message app. You can just press and hold the Message app while replying to someone and click Send Location. Now, while charging, we often don't see the exact percentage of our watch's battery. We usually just see the little circle that shows if you're halfway, almost done. However, by tapping in the circle, you can check the exact percentage of your battery. I thought this was extremely useful. And something really convenient, at least in my opinion, is that you can slowly scroll the crown to slowly brighten your watch's display. This is an awesome feature in case you want to quickly take a look at something on your watch without raising your wrist. So if you're in the meeting or you're talking to someone, it won't look like you're checking the time. And in case you want to check past notifications but don't know how, just tap and hold at the top of the display and swipe down to be taken to the notification center. There you'll be able to see all notifications that you previously received. If you're short in battery, an easy way to prevent your watch from dying is to enable Power Reserve mode. You only need to swipe up in order to go to the control center, click the battery icon, and swipe your finger to the right to enable Power Reserve. All the features will be turned off except the time, so it's definitely something to enable only when you're running out of battery. And last but not least, many people don't know how to do this, but if your Apple Watch is acting up and you want to restart it, you just have to press the crown and the power button at the same time. Keep pressing both of them until the Apple logo appears on the display. And there you have it. These are my 10 tips to improve the Apple Watch's usability in order for you to get the most out of it. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, share this video with one of your friends, and I'll see you guys next time.